If you're interested in cyber intel resources but aren't sure if it's for you, let me show you around. The whole purpose of this resource center is to make it easier for you to learn and to find the tools needed to do cyber intelligence, investigations, forensics, and analysis. There are general tutorials at the top, including courses, blogs, podcasts, and more. I've also made sure to include security and privacy tools and tutorials so you aren't putting yourself at risk by doing online investigations. Everything is sorted out by what you are investigating as opposed to what the tool does, making it easier to find what you may need when you need it. So if you are looking into social medias, you'll look here. I collected a long list of niche sites, video sites, dating sites, and so on to save you time. And I also collect the tools you may need to browse and analyze profiles. If you're looking into a business or online shop, you'll look here. These will help you find sellers, learn more about a business, their income, executives, news, and so on. If you have a photo you need to analyze, you'll go here. There's tools to help you look at its metadata and also see if the same photo shows up elsewhere online. If you are investigating a website, you'll go here, and so on. Pretty straightforward, right? If you're doing more live monitoring, trying to figure out a location in a picture, or just keeping an eye on a traveling client, there are tools here as well. Maps, live cameras from all over the world, sites that let you track planes and boats, geolocation tips and tricks, just everything you could possibly need. So everything above this point are links and sites that you can use from any device at any time. There's some software and programs you may need to install or download, but you don't need to do or have anything special. Now for those of you who do want to go a bit further, let's say you need to go on the dark web, there's a section here that tells you what browsers you could use, places to get started, and some tutorials as well. I know it can be daunting and dangerous, of course, but this will help you get started with confidence. And if you're interested in checking out another level of OSINT tools, there's a category here to get you started with Linux. Of course, I got tutorials here as well, and then I have virtual boxes you can install onto your computer, Linux operating systems to choose from. Many of you may have heard of Kali Linux, but there are other distributions as well. And then I got a long list of investigative focused OSINT tools for you to browse from and try out. And as a bonus for members, I also include worldwide databases. This includes court records, most wanted sites, missing kids, phone books, ancestry records, and so on. So you can get access to this portal for $15 a month or $150 a year. I check this site multiple times a month to add new links and to get rid of links that no longer work. So you can feel confident that no matter the case, and no matter what time or date you have a case, this will be updated and ready to go. Since this is online, you can access it from any computer, including any operating system. You don't need to lug a book around, nor do you need to sign into your Gmail to access your own spreadsheet of links. Just 2 clicks, log in, and you have it by your side. So if you're interested, you can get membership at www.cyberintelresources.com. And if you have any questions, feel free to message me on LinkedIn anytime. This is Sabrina Liverpool signing out.